then I'm going to make my friend Matt here disappear. Put him in the box, and then when we open, he'll be gone. Well, so, yeah, we're going to make him disappear, or so he thinks. Hey, so Matt, would you like to get into the box? And you see that he's completely in the box. He's still there and there. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, now that he's inside the box, we're going to make him disappear.